Hey everybody, this is Terry. Welcome back to the shop. We are continuing the series of mods on our brand new 2021 Grand Design Momentum 31G toy hauler. And one thing that I just absolutely had to do something with. We love this toy hauler. It's so nice and it's got so many amenities, and we can't wait to get camping in the thing and be able to show you a bunch of videos of that. But hey, it's winter. And we're fair weather side-by-side riders, and we're fair weather campers. So be a little bit before we can show you that. So doing some mods, and the mod today is the main bedroom bed. That bed's in a slide out, and for that to work, the original mattress, which is way too hard for us, about a third of that mattress folds up. And because when the slide out comes in, it's got to do that in order to have enough room to clear the bathroom wall. And for those of you that might not be familiar with it, I'll throw a picture of that up here so you can see what's going on. All right, so you can see in order to put a regular mattress in there, we have to build something to take up that space, or we have to have something to take up that space. And what I chose to do was just to build an extension. It's 3/4 inch plywood with, I ripped up some 2x4s and put on the bottom of it, and it's just glued and screwed together. And we'll show you that right here. And we've since installed it and done everything out in the 31G. So let's move on out there, and we'll see how everything works.
All right, here we are out of the 31G, and this bed mod, really pretty simple. Nothing too complicated about it. Enables us to use regular queen here, and it's a full-size queen. It's not a short RV queen, it's a full-size queen. I'm a full-size guy, and I need as full-size a bed as we can get. And let me move around into the bathroom, and I think we can get a little bit better shot here. So this extension, that's what I fabricated. It's super simple, just a piece of 3/4 inch plywood. And well, let me say that one thing that's really consistent about these trailers is that they're not very consistent, and that this height here on mine needed to be 2 inches, and I see a lot of people that say 1.5 inches. So somewhere in between 1.5 inches and 2 inches. Just measure yours and see. Some of them are a little bit out of level. Mine was about 1/8 of an inch or so off from one side to the other, but no big deal. This is the extension itself. Is 3/4 inch plywood, and on the bottom of it, to make the 2 inches, these are 2x4s, and I just ripped down to 1.25 inches on my table saw and made that so we had that 2 inches. And just wanted to show you without the mattress. I covered it. This is felt from Hobby Lobby, and I'll of course have all these links in the show notes, but it's 2 30-inch piano hinges from Home Depot, and I'll have those links of course. And then these straps, you can see that it's just a 1-inch nylon strap from Amazon with a little clip on it. And let me get this clipped in here, and then I'll show you what's up with that. This is how we're going to hold this up on each side. Sorry about that. Okay, they just snap together. You see right there. Hopefully the camera's going to focus in just a second. Okay, there you go. They just snap together, and they're held on with number 8 stainless screws, 3/4 inch, and some finish washers, also from Home Depot. I'll show you on the other side. It's just a little snap clip, and let me get this one in here. Just very simple. So just a very simple snap clip, and these will store under the mattress just fine, or beside the mattress. You'll never know they're there. So the two halves just snap together. So super simple. You can see what you got there. So obviously this has to happen for the slide to come in, and let me grab the mattress and I'll put it in here, and then we'll come back and show you how it works with the mattress. All right, I thought we'd start with the slide in, and you can see the mattress is really flexible, so super easy to get everything up there like that. It's just not really easy with one hand, so it's hard for me to show it to you. But you can see, I mean, there's not enough room to get in there, and basically we're this thickness, the 2 inches here, closer to the wall than we were before. Got plenty of clearance, as you can see. And you could actually just make it, go on farther if you wanted to. I just decided to just pretty much leave it straight up. Not much pressure, as you can see. Not a lot of pressure at all on those straps. So I think everything should be good there. And all right, let's run the slide out, and we'll see how all that looks. Like I said, this super easy mod, and I don't know. I'll kind of figure it up and see, but I don't think I think the mattress was about $250, and I did have to buy a sheet of plywood, so I mean probably felt like $20 in felt, can of glue, piece of plywood, 2x4s. I don't know, $300 in $320 or something maybe in all of it. So all right, so now you can see how everything functions here. Like I said, the mattress is no real pressure on the mattress. I mean, it's super flexible there. So, all right, let's unsnap the straps. I think probably actually could get away with just one, but probably safer just put 2 on there, just to make me feel better. So, get this one unstrapped, and everything laid down here. That, and see, while I'm here, as you can see, the mattress a little bit short of the wall, so it's just a matter of just tucking those straps in there out of the way. So making sure that those are in. On this side, yep, sticking out a little bit, poking in there. This back in as well, and there you have it. And like I said, that's the 8-inch Zinus gel foam green tea infused. I have absolutely no idea why you'd want green tea in your mattress, but apparently you do. Move back around, show you what we got going on here. Still plenty of room to get around, as you can see. Basically the same as we had, I mean exactly the same room we had before. I mean, the mattress is the mattress. You can see here that the mattress overhangs this edge, I don't know, 3 inches maybe. So all good there, plenty of support. And mattress is not, we've had it a couple days and it's not quite to its full potential there yet. It's about a little bit short of 7 inches and it's supposed to be 8 inches done. So I'm sure it'll continue to grow over the next couple days. But anyway, there you have it. It's the bed mod in the 31G to put a real mattress where the not so good mattress was that came with it. So appreciate everybody watching. If you got any questions, comments, whatever, please do leave a comment and or a question if you have one. I'll try to answer to the best of my ability. I'll have all the links and everything in the show notes for everything that we used here. And like I said, pretty simple deal to do and well worth the time and money. Appreciate everybody that hits that subscribe button, hit the like button. That really helps us with YouTube. And we'll see you next time. Many more 31G mods to come.